2015 Hyundai Genesis 5.0. Really beautiful car. Converters are up there somewhere on each side. And then secondary converters there. And then what we did, it took the resonator out and put an X pipe in its place. Right there. Then he has exhaust cutouts that are open right now, so you guys will get to hear what it sounds like with exhaust cutouts. There and there. They're open, and then it's got the factory mufflers out the back on each side. So we did a resonator delete and put an X pipe in its place. There's the resonator right there. It's a dual in, dual out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. Again. Hear sound decibels on it. Again. You guys can see 108. Not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. I like it. Not bad. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Bro, they copied the Mercedes so much on the angle of it, like the CLS.
It's so good. I want to say
Yeah. Oh, it almost is. Other than the lights, it almost exactly the same. You see the new ones? The SUVs? Look them up.